In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter page on Google Sites fast and easy. If you're looking to establish an online space for your newsletter or simply exploring the versatility of Google Sites, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process together and harness this tool's accessible features. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Google Sites. It's simple. Just type Google Sites in the search bar and click on the first link that appears in the search results. This will take you directly to the Google Sites interface. Once you're there, you'll want to select the specific site where you'd like to add your newsletter page. Browse your available sites and click on the one you wish to edit. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand panel and locate the Pages section. Click on it, as this is where you'll start building your new newsletter page. Once you're in the Pages menu, look for a plus icon. Clicking this will allow you to create a new page, which you can customize and organize according to your newsletter's needs. It's time to give your page a proper identity. You'll see a prompt asking you to name your new page. Enter the name Newsletter in this text field. Remember, choosing a clear and descriptive title is always a good practice in web design, helping visitors easily navigate your site. After naming your page, simply hit Done to finalize this step. Now that your page is created, shift your focus back to the Insert tab on the right-hand side of the interface. Here you can add various elements to your page. Start by adding a text box to provide an introductory message, or highlight the main theme of your current issue. Type in text relevant to your newsletter, and feel free to style it using the toolbar for a more polished look. Of course, a visually appealing page is essential. Enhance your page by adding images. Click on the Image option and upload a fitting image from your computer. Images can effectively capture your audience's interest and break up the text for an improved reading experience. Next, take advantage of Google Sites' layout options. Click on Layout to choose a design that best fits your content. This helps you organize text and images in a visually appealing manner. For added impact, try placing a text and image box within the layout. It's an efficient way to strengthen the message of your newsletter by combining words with visuals. Finally, when you are satisfied with the setup and appearance of your newsletter page, it's time to make it live. Hit the Publish button at the top right of the interface. A confirmation prompt will give you a final opportunity to review your settings. Once everything checks out, click Publish again to share your new newsletter page with the online world. That's all there is to it. You've just created a dynamic and engaging newsletter page on Google Sites in no time. Remember, you can always revisit your site for updates or changes. Thanks for following along, and be sure to subscribe for more tech tutorials.